Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why do you think the hiring manager asked this question? As no one can see that far into the future, especially a freshers who haven't set their career yet or still exploring their career options. So what's the purpose of this question? Hello all, hope you are all doing well. By now you all might have understood what we are going to discuss about. So let's get into it. With this question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? The interviewer do not want to know how exactly you are going to spend your next 60 months or to test your forecasting ability. Then why do interviewers insist on asking this question? Your interviewer is asking this question for an important reason. In today's competitive job market, interviewers do not want to hire an applicant who is half-hearted about the job. You may have a fair chances of being eliminated if you answer this question in a way that even the hints this is not the job of your interest. As a matter of fact, the entire recruiting, hiring and training a new people is time-consuming and difficult process. So the interviewer do not want to invest time and effort on someone who is already planning to leave for something else as soon as it comes along. So with this question, the employer wants to know more about your career goals and hire someone who is truly excited, motivated, proactive and likely to stick around and work hard if hired. In simple terms, the recruiter asks this question for two reasons. First, to know if you are going to stay put in the new position, or secondly, to know your long-term career goals aligned with the company. While answering this question, just keep in mind that your interviewer do not want to hear plans about getting promoted to the top level, starting your own business or any kind of uncertainty about your future. So what exactly they are looking to hear from you? When the employers ask this, they are likely looking to hear few key pieces of information. Your long-term career objectives, how you are striking towards your goals, does your long-term career goals align with the company, to know your sense of ambition. Having understood what the interviewer is looking for, now the question raises how you should answer this. Before you draft the answer, ask yourself these questions. Why the job interests you? What kind of career you want to pursue? Then carefully craft your answer by mentioning how this job role or skills fit with your long-term career goal, your interest in that job role, and how it will be helpful to advance your knowledge and expertise in these areas over next 5 years. Also keep in mind your answer should sound convincing, practical and realistic. Show enthusiasm, at the same time do not be overconfident. Though this question is considered to be mind-numbing, remember the recruiter is not really interested to know your future plans, but to see how well you reply to such questions and to assess your confidence, aspirations and career outlook. Hope this information was helpful to you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you.